In this short tutorial, I will guide you through the process of turning off the 24-hour clock format on your iPhone. Many people find the 12-hour clock format to be more convenient and easier to read. By following these simple steps, you can switch your iPhone's clock from 24-hour to 12-hour format in no time. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap General. After that, scroll down again and tap Date and Time. All you have to do now is toggle off this switch next to the 24-hour time option. This is exactly how you can switch your iPhone's clock from 24-hour to 12-hour format. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.